Okay, today we have a delivery of another camera because we've had one camera go down and one camera is missing. So, as we like to use two cameras, we decided to get another one. So, this is an unboxing video. Let's dig in. We didn't have it delivered to this house because our house is extremely secure. So you can't get into the door. So this is the bag that it was in. Let's hope it's the combo which I've ordered, because if it's not, then we've paid too much money. And in the Philippines, they love sellotape. They love sellotape so much that it's everywhere. They must get through tons and tons and tons. See, this is why we can't open.
It's hard to open.
It's always hard to open in the Philippines,
yeah,
because everything is either sellotape or it's staple.
Yeah, it's true. Only in the Philippines.
So they never think about you having to open the product. They just think about totally stealing.
So what is that?
So this is it, the Pocket 2. It's the Creator combo.
Wow.
So this is the box. This is the side of the box. This is the back of the box. This is the other side of the box.
DJI.
A DJI.
Yeah.
So now we can't get in again. We could do with a knife.
Yeah. Maybe I will get.
Yes. So she's gone to get a knife because we just cannot get in. We can't get in to the box.
Yeah.
Unless we have a knife.
This is the knife.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Turn around. Okay.
We still can't get in.
Yeah.
Because...
Don't you know that who delivered this? That is my batchmate.
Really?
Yeah, we are laughing. When I received that one, he said, "Oh, it's you!" My goodness.
Batchmate
In
English is schoolmate. Is a school from your olden days in school. That's what a batchmate is.
So
anyway, it's come with that stuff. Now, let's see if we can work out how to open the box.
yeah. So what is that?
Good.
Oops.
I don't want to ruin the box.
Yeah, you're right.
So it doesn't open like a phone. So does it slide out?
What's going
So
on?
the unboxing like this.
Yep.
As you can see, not very intelligent at opening boxes.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like when you open it. This is a genuine DJI product from Shopee.
Shopee.
But it's from DJI, the Mal in
Wow.
Manila. So this is the case. Like so.
So now you
Does
have.
it come out?
Wow.
Yes, it does.
Cute. Oh my gosh.
Here.
It's very cute.
It's as cute as the one you're holding in your hand.
It's cute.
Yeah. So
Wow. Really
this
cute.
is the case. And this is the DJI
DJI. Oh,
Pocket
this is it.
2.
The Pocket 2.
Yeah.
The one you wish.
And the camera we're filming on is a Fimi. And it's more or less identical.
Yeah. Yeah.
More or less identical.
Yeah. So
in this box,
that is
a lens.
a lens.
Yeah, wide angle lens.
Oh.
I presume. Oh no, it's the microphone cover. Because the separate microphone comes with it. So there it is. That's what we call a dead cat. So that's the combo, and then here is the wide angle lens, which just is a magnet for the front. It makes it wider.
I see.
This is all in the combo. And here
What is that?
we have the joystick.
Joystick.
Yes. The joystick that goes on the front of the Pocket. On the Fimi, it's already got the joystick there. So it just clips on.
Very cute.
On the Fimi that we use, the joystick is already there. This one is this is so you can plug it directly into your phone. But Apple.
Ay. And then
maybe, hopefully, there's one in there.
Apple.
Yeah.
We
We don't do Apple products, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
We're not too keen.
You're afraid.
It's only because they're expensive to run.
Another one. I see. Oops. Oh.
And there we have
The holder.
a strap.
The strap.
A strap for it. Yes, this one is the one for Samsung.
See.
The connector for Samsung.
That's good. So that is for
This, just to keep it dry.
yeah. And then the charger.
A charging cable. As you well know, Apple don't produce cables anymore. So we're lucky. This is the instruction book. And in here is...
What is that?
This is the extension that goes onto the bottom, like this.
I see.
And that's your Wi-Fi. This here is for your microphone, the dead cat. And then this here is to put on the bottom so that you can put the...
That one.
This is the tripod. So you can put the tripod on.
What's it? That's great.
Yeah. So that's it. We'll let you know how we get on with filming with this new
DJI
product that we've got.
Pocket
Yeah.
2. DJI Pocket 2.
They're the same size.
Yeah. Same size?
Yes.
Wait. Same size.
Yeah. So that's it.
Okay.
Press the button.